So what do you expect today?
I'm excited. Wow.
This is 5 meters?
Oh, sure. Yeah, obviously. It's the first one.
Three, two, one, go. Well done.
I don't know to go beyond.
Well done. Relax now. Relax now. Relax now. Relax your body. Relax your mind. You feeling okay?
The moment after you jump, there's a few seconds which you feel like you're going to drown. But it took longer than you think.
Yeah. Okay, you ready? Yeah? Yeah, perfect.
I would say like there's only one life.
Yeah,
I want to experience all of it.
let's do it. As long as you think here, you will never do it.
Yeah.
You don't think anything, don't worry about it. Look front, don't look down. Look front, and if you want to run, you can run. Otherwise, you can just stand and just go 1, 2, 3 in your head and just do it. Yeah? 3, 2, 1, go!
I never thought like in the middle of the jump we can think something and do something. Otherwise, if you jump, you jump. That's it.
Yeah. You jump again.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Wow.
16 meter, buddy, 16 meter. You understood how to do it?
Yeah.
You got the instruction? You feel confident? Yeah. Three, two, one, go. You did it, yeah? So it's okay. Yeah?
I'm happy.
Well done.
This was fun, actually.
Definitely.